Hey marauders, welcome back to the channel and to another video. Today we are taking a look at Stridor, which is He-Man's, will we call him his robotic mount? Really lovely figure there. This box is like so retro, it's not even funny. It's just like going right back to the 80s. This lovely display base here that you can attach onto Castle Grayskull. The other figures in the wave, let's take a look at them. We've got Stridor, and they're all like, they're not photos, it's really lovely artwork of the figures in the wave. It just gives it that extra feeling. So guys, let's get them open and take a look at Stridor out of his box. And I have to say, for a figure that I picked up because I saw it for a ridiculously good price, I am really pleasantly surprised with it. It's just a really great figure. I think it's a bit underrated as to how actually nice it is. I know it's a bit just like a big hollow block that you can put your figure sitting in it, but we've got articulation. First of all, let's take a look at the detail on it. Like, there's some lovely molded detail here on the flanks. We've got some nice decals on it. The head itself is very articulated. The neck can go up and down on a ball joint there. The head can move, and overall I was very surprised at how articulated this figure is. On the back, the laser can rotate there. All that's missing is a little lever under the seat to let it forward and back. There's a really nice ratchet in the legs. Same with the front legs. It's a softer ratchet in the front ones. Just a friction joint in the knees, and the same with the feet. But that is, oh, we've actually got our ratchets in the back ones there. I wonder, like, have I looked at these actually at all before I start looking at them? And you can take the, I'm going to call it the bridle, I think. I don't know what it's called. The bit, the chompy bit, out of his mouth, because his mouth is spring-loaded. Look, it's spring-loaded. Which I thought was so cool. I couldn't believe it. So, he comes with loads of accessories as well. So, he comes with a different armoured piece for his head. He comes with some pew-pew effects. And he also comes with a base that can be attached into Castle Grayskull. Castle Grayskull review is coming soon. I have to say, it's really good. Like, we've got like a little stem out of it which you can hook your figure onto. So let's take a look at the figure anyway and his accessories. So to change the headpiece, you just come along, you just take that one off. Let's get a look at that. Look at that. It's quite a cute horse head actually. And to put the new one on, you just come along, just put it on there, let his ears out. JD. Then we put the bridle in his mouth again. The bit, I don't know what we're calling it. And we're going to bring in our He-Man. And we'll put him in here. Let's see how he looks. I haven't. Oh, that's really nice looking. That's cool actually. I haven't put He-Man in this before. And he just sits really nicely in there. This foot went a bit weird. Oh, anyway, let's get him in there. That's it. Good man, He-Man. In he goes there. He sits down nice and snug in it. We get our lasers, our blast effects, and they push right onto those lasers. Like that. And you can come along this side and push that on there. Now, I'll tell you, we'll get rid of his sword and his shield, because this guy, he's taking the reins. Yes, indeed. So to put the reins in, I just work them into his hands there. Just that one in. And hopefully this one will just reach around here. Oh, this one now is going to be a little different. Yeah. Oh, cool. Okay, so it just pushes onto his hand. That's nice, actually. Yeah. And we've got the last blast effect, and we can put that on there. And there he is, all armoured up with his pew-pew effects. Then to use the base, bring it in here. Come along and so this is the back, because I'm using this as the back because Castle Grayskull is over here. So this is the port to connect it. So we get our base and the hole underneath, and we just come along and just put the two in together, and then you can come along and you can just go wild stallions. And you can pose him as dynamic as you want. Make him look like he's bounding over the fence. He-Man goes, "Hi-ho, Silver! Away!" That's the wrong show, He-Man. What? So guys, that's Stridor. Really completely underrated. I can't believe that I nearly overlooked this guy. Picked him up for a steal. If you see him, get him. He's definitely worth having in your collection. Guys, listen, if you like the videos, if you like the channels, please subscribe. It really helps out the channel. See you in the next one.